Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of kitchen gadgets. Today, we're diving into some exciting new gadgets that are sure to make your culinary adventures even more enjoyable. First up, we have the latest smart oven that's packed with advanced features. This innovative oven not only cooks your food to perfection, but it also helps you save time and energy. With its built-in AI, it can learn your cooking habits and adjust its settings accordingly. Plus, it's equipped with a voice-activated assistant that makes it a breeze to control. Next, we have a new blender that's taking the kitchen world by storm. This sleek and stylish blender is not only powerful but also incredibly versatile. It comes with a range of attachments that allow you to blend, chop, and even grind your ingredients. And the best part? It's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Now, let's talk about a new coffee maker that's perfect for the coffee aficionados out there. This high-tech coffee maker not only brews a perfect cup of coffee, but also allows you to customize your brewing settings. With its touchscreen interface, you can choose from a variety of brewing methods, and even program it to brew your coffee at a specific time. And finally, we have a new set of smart kitchen scales that are sure to impress. These scales not only measure your ingredients but also provide you with nutritional information. They are also Bluetooth enabled, so you can easily sync them with your phone and keep track of your meals. That's it for today's Kitchen Gadget Roundup. We hope you enjoyed learning about these exciting new products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more tech updates and reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.